These are my 2 secrets on how to make double wear look absolutely flawless. The number 1 secret is moisturizer. You absolutely must have a very hydrating moisturizer. Now, I use a restorative moisture barrier cream. This is a very thick moisturizer, so I think that it's the backbone of my double wear routine. I even put some over my eyes, over my lips, and I use this time to just go over like my eyebrows too, to make sure everything is really nice and hydrated and laid down flat. My second super important tip is to apply it with a sponge. I use a very large sponge from Stands Out Beauty. I think that it's an amazing memory foam sort of sponge, so it doesn't absorb a ton of product, but the memory foam sort of texture gives you the most immaculate, flawless finish to any full coverage foundation. But I think just for some reason it does wonders with double wear, and I think because double wear works really well with water-based anything, so when you have a damp sponge, I mean, double wear just looks absolutely flawless. I even put some over my eyes and under my eyes as well, which can be some of the driest areas, and it still looks absolutely flawless. As far as the amount goes, I only used 1 drop of double wear on each side. So you can see this is my skin with no double wear, and this is the side that I applied it on first. Here in this, still you can kind of see the difference that it makes when you put it on top and underneath your eye as well. Try these tips out. Go ahead and apply the rest of your makeup to your face, and voila. You can see it looks absolutely stunning, and of course, you know double wear staying power. It's going to last all day. Enjoy, gorgeous!